Under the tide of great change, what is the foundation of life? Only original intention, only ingenuity. We can only make waves by finding another way and innovating independently. Adheres to principles in order to live up to the original intention. Taking it seriously is worthwhile. Not everything can be related. It is to work earnestly, turn creation into reality, make everything connected. When the connection fits perfectly, countless individuals integrate into one, form trust, form safety, form environmentally friendly, form speed, form intelligence, form industries, form new era, become unlimited, form the power of life. In the infinite world, what is the ultimate value? Breaking the boundaries, empowering all things. Think carefully, act steadfastly. The connection between all things has no boundaries.